We're here at the Temecula Rod Run 2013, Saturday, March 9th, about 6 a.m. here with Jenny Gonzalez. Check out everybody setting up for the Rod Run. Actually started last night with the cruise. It was a great event. It was a lot of cars, nice cars. Everybody was cruising. It was a good time. We barely got here. We were just waiting for the rains to pass, and looks like they did, hopefully. But you never know out here. Got all kinds of cars. Check that out. Check all that out. Goes perfect with this town, huh? This one was a monster right now. It was on earlier. That one was a monster. Check all these out. Check all these out. See, bam, there's a Studebaker. Bright in yellow. Alright. Temecula Rod Run 2013.